How to check video views on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to check video views on Facebook. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside here, just head over to your profile section, and from over here just click on videos. And as you can see, I have uploaded one videos and it has shown me that it has got over 15 views. So you can view it by from this section, but once you enter inside the video, you can't actually view any number of views it has got. So in that case, you have to just click on back and you have to view your views is just from this section, that is by coming to this screen where you can see the videos option. So, and another thing, that is you can also view your storage total number of views by simply heading over to settings option over here and scroll all the way down until you see the option called activity log. So just tap on it, and from over here just click on archive and just click on story archive. And from here as well, you will be seeing number of viewers who viewed your story, so just like this. And after 14 days you can't see a viewed story unless they have interacted with it, so you can also keep that in mind. So that is exactly how you can view your videos on Facebook, whether it's on story or your post. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.